When I'm looking at this, I look at the top of the box and I put that as length and width, okay? So area equals length times width times height. Got it? So if I look at the top of the box right here, and you could get an optical illusion and make another side a top of the box. It's just whatever way you're seeing it. Then I have that length is 11, width is 9. Does everybody see where I got those two numbers? Yeah. Now I say, how tall is the box on the table? And that's the other 9. So you just put all that in your calculator, and you get 81 times 11, whatever that is. It's 891. And since these are yards, then we have cubic yards, okay? When they're hard to see, I take a different color here, and I know that this is a triangular prism, so this triangle is the area that I have to find, okay? Well, I know that this right side here is also 6, because it's like a piece of cake. It's just as wide at the top than at the bottom. Everybody see that? And I know that the hypotenuse is 10 because the hypotenuse of this guy is 10. Everybody get that? So in a right triangle, which we have 6, 8, and 10, what is the height of that triangle?
6.
And what is the base of that triangle? You do not use the hypotenuse when you're figuring out the area of a triangle. You got that? So it's going to be 1/2 6 times 8. Now you're going to look at this piece here is the height. If I put that triangle on the table, this piece here is the height, and that's 9. Does everybody see that that's 9 in your picture? Look at your picture. All right, so the line that connects the two bases is the height. So you're going to multiply that by 9. And you're going to put that in your calculator, and you get 24 times 9, which is 216. And this is in centimeters, so it's centimeters cubed. So that has 4 rectangles. What are the other 2 shapes? Trapezoids. So the area of the base, this is going to still be the area of a trapezoid, a trapezoidal prism, is the area of the base times the height. So we're going to pretend this, the trapezoid sitting on the table. Do you see how I'm going to turn it up like this? And what is the area of a trapezoid? You go back to your area page, and you get 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2, right? Times the height of the prism. This height and this height are 2 different heights. This is the height of the trapezoid, and this is the height of the box. How high is that box?
10 inches.
No, you're going to turn the trapezoid so it's sitting on the table.
Why are you finding the area?
1/2, and then we're going to multiply that by the height of the thing. So the trapezoid. Now just look at the trapezoid. I'm going to put that in green so you can see it and not pay attention to anything else. What's base 1 of the trapezoid? What's the top?
4.
Huh?
4.
4 is one of the bases, yes. So you got 1/2. And what was the height of the trapezoid? Somebody said it earlier. 1.7. No, the trapezoid. 1.7 times base 1, which is 4, plus base 2. What's the other base measure?
6.
Another 6. Yes, it's a different 6. It's a 6 right here is equal to that one right there. Then that's times the other height, which is 6. And you put all of that in your calculator. Everybody do that. Make sure you can put all that in your calculator. And you should get 51 inches squared. They put area of the base times height of the box. The base is a trapezoid. Pull that off to the side, find the area of that trapezoid, and then multiply it by how tall the box is. Okay? The formula for area, for volume of a cylinder.
R squared.
is pi r squared times the height. And so we're going to find the volume is of the cylinder equals pi, that's a number. What's the radius of this cylinder? In some pictures they're going to give you the radius and others are going to give you the diameter. If they give you the diameter, you have to cut it in half. Everybody get that? And the height of the tank is 5.
Oh, pi r squared radius.
Yes. So I've got the formula for a cone is 1/3 pi r squared height. The volume of the cone is 1/3, and put that in parentheses, times pi, put that in parentheses, times 2 squared, because the radius is 2, not 4, times the height, which is 6. And when you put all of that in your calculator, you should get 25.13, and these are yards, so cubic yards.